2018, living up to expectations and then some when it comes to stock market volatility. The Dow Industrial sinking more than 600 points before closing up 260 points yesterday. But what's ahead for 2019? That's why we have to turn to Dominick Tavella, president of a Diversified Private Wealth Advisor, who joins us early this morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Christine, and Happy New Year.
Yes, Happy New Year to you, too. I want to jump right into volatility and talk about the VIX, the fact that we've seen some crazy swings, but historically, the VIX, which is a measure and pretty much an index of volatility, has fallen or climbed, much higher during these periods of serious decline. So does that mean that we're really far away from this bottom?
Well, the VIX has been lately at the higher end, and it's certainly gone higher at times. But no, I don't think we're at the bottom just yet. I think we have to formulate a floor here, and I think it'll happen over the next couple of weeks, couple of months. So expect more volatility going forward.
And then, so going forward into 2019, if we're talking about corporate earnings that are coming around the corner, do you think that more of an emphasis is actually focused on the fact that growth is slowing amongst these corporations?
So we do expect growth in 2019 to be lower. I mean, we had a spectacular GDP growth year this year. That's got to slow down next year. The million-dollar question is, which narrative do we buy into? The economy continues to grow and continues at this pace, or even a modestly slower pace, or we get some kind of recession. We're in the camp of the economy continues to chug along.
I'm curious about this. Why do you think that all the movement has been happening within the last hour of trading?
I think the real players come into the game the last couple of hours. So ourselves included, we watch the markets all day long, and you really get a tone of where the market's going to go the last couple of hours. And then the machines take over, and you get wild swings up and down based on what the algorithms tell the machines should do.
I want to switch to consumer confidence since we had that number that came out yesterday, the fact that it has fallen for the second month in a row. Usually consumer confidence doesn't look or pay that much attention to Wall Street. Is that changing? What is causing that decrease?
Well, they are looking at the headlines, right? And you look at this crazy volatility, up 1,000, down 800, and vice versa. You're looking at the news about China and political turmoil. This does affect how people feel, and how people feel does affect how much they spend. So we had a spectacular holiday season. Visa, MasterCard reported amazing earnings. But look, we're going to get statements, envelopes being opened in January. It's going to affect the consumer. And ultimately, that could affect economic spending in 2019.
Yeah, but we talk about these retail sales for MasterCard 5.1% higher this holiday season. Sounds great, but what about credit card debt and consumer debt? Because I think the latest numbers we had was for October, and that was at a low, an 11th-month low when we're 11th-month high when it comes to consumer debt in the United States. So shouldn't that be extremely concerning, especially if we continue to see interest rate hikes in 2019?
Great question. So look, the good news here is job growth continues, 200,000 jobs a month, 2.5 million. Wages finally are starting to show some improvement. Could be better, but we're finally starting to see consumers and workers have more money in their pocket. Gas prices are low, again, more money in their pocket. But clearly they went a little bit overboard, and those Visa, MasterCard bills are going to be ginormous in January. So consumers do have to be a little bit careful here, and higher interest rates means higher credit card bills. So that is a concern, but spending is the primary economic concern at this point in the game going forward.
Yet I still go and get those sales during this time of year. Thank you very much for joining us, Dominick.
Have a wonderful holiday season.
You too.